Okay guys, so it's about to be part 2 for this diorama. So for this, we're gonna use sand, $3.99 at Hobby Lobby. They got different colors if you ever need some. Some regular white glue, school glue, and that's about it. Let's start with it. So first of all, let's attach this little base. Hopefully it works through. Never actually tried it, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, seems like it will stick, so let's finish off this process real quick. Okay guys, now that we have our base attached, we're gonna start with the sand. I'm just gonna do a little layer on top, just so it can like stick and cover the whole base. And after that, we'll go from it. We do the different things that we have to do so we can make the sand actually pop out a little bit and not just stay flat on the wood. So let's go for it. Okay guys, make sure you're a little bit generous just so you can actually go through all the cracks in between the clay, and also because the clay might absorb a little bit, but yeah, make sure you cover all the cracks, all the edges. Wherever it looks dry, you know, that will mean for sure you don't have enough glue in there. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, there were still some spots that didn't get enough glue, or kind of like were removed by the brush. But don't worry about it, we're about to do some other techniques that should take care of it. This is just so the color won't come out through the spaces in between. Okay guys, so we did a pre-mixture of sand and glue. This will be able to cover more space on the actual board. And then after we actually put all this up, we should be able to do a second coat with just sand. And that should take care of all the little cracks and edges that didn't get not enough glue or wasn't covering up with it.
Two hours later.
Hi guys, so pretty much we're done with the first coat. We don't actually have to let it dry, but in order for me to reapply more if needed, I have to let this part dry off. That way whenever I'm messing with it with the brush, it won't mess up with the glue. After that, we just take off the excess sand. Once it's dry, we take the excess sand, we do another coat if we need to, and then we're good to go.
More moments later.
Alright guys, so we're back. We're about to put the second coat. We're gonna cover all those little spaces where the glue is still coming out, and all the glue residue, and we'll go from there. Keep tuned. Alright guys, as you can tell, we already did the second coat. Everything was easier since we can actually see the spots that we're missing now that the sand was underneath. So on the second coat, we're just gonna apply it even, and we'll go from there.
One eternity later.
Okay, so second coat was done. I think it's ready, guys. We could probably maybe one day do a background, but I don't think this one will need it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so there we go. Batman Last Night on Earth diorama. What do you think? We made the base off of the clay, and then we did several coats of sand with our glue just to make some ripple effect, some wing kind of like effect on it. So let me know, guys. Alright guys, I hope you like this diorama. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.